Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting surds. Simplify each of the following. Now this is very similar to the previous video, except here we have subtraction instead of addition. So 6 the square root of 3 minus 2 the square root of 3. Because we have the square root of 3 here and the square root of 3 there, they are like terms. So 6 minus 2 is 4, so the answer is 4 the square root of 3. 7 the square root of 5 minus 4 the square root of 5. It's exactly the same thing. 7 minus 4 gives you 3, so it's 3 the square root of 5. 3 the square root of 7 minus 4 the square root of 7. 3 minus 4 is actually minus 1, so that minus means minus 1. So the answer is minus the square root of 7. Number 4, the square root of 8 minus the square root of 2. When you first look at this, you might say, oh, we can't do this. However, the square root of 8 can be broken down as 2 the square root of 2. We saw that in the last video. That just means simplifying that surd. So 2 the square root of 2 minus 1 the square root of 2 gives you the square root of 2. Number 5. The square root of 75 minus the square root of 27 minus the square root of 3. The square root of 75 is 5 the square root of 3. The square root of 27 is 3 the square root of 3, and that's the square root of 3. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. 2 minus 1 gives you 1, so that gives you the square root of 3. And the last example, the square root of 108 plus the square root of 32 minus the square root of 12 minus the square root of 8. The square root of 108 is 6 the square root of 3. The square root of 32 is 4 the square root of 2. The square root of 12 is 2 the square root of 3. And the square root of 8 is 2 the square root of 2. So 6 the square root of 3 minus 2 the square root of 3 gives you 4 the square root of 3. 4 the square root of 2 minus 2 the square root of 2 gives you 2 the square root of 2. And since those two there are unlike terms, that is the answer. We cannot go any further. So this has been a short video which has given us 6 examples showing us what we need to do when we subtract surds. And it's all about looking for like terms.